You know, when I came here, I never thought I will drive a Corvette. This is awesome. So I should shift?
Yes.
It's pretty comfortable.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Awesome. It's the sport mode, right?
Yes.
So it's a downshifts by
It's
itself.
in track mode.
Yeah, track mode, nice. The sound. Okay. So how fast can I go?
Go, I'll tell you when you start feeling that
Yeah.
you're not secure. Go ahead,
And
press it.
all the way?
Yeah, press it all the way.
Wow. American power. And the downshifts. Okay, let's go one more. Oh yeah. The brakes have to work pretty hard with that speed.
Big smile on your face.
American Ferrari.
It is.
Corvette. I have to mention it one more again for the video. This is my dream car, and I can drive it right now.
And this is a Z06, Z07.
Yes. So
That's important because it has the full track back.
yeah. It's lighter, it's more horsepower a little bit, right?
It's got different suspension,
Yeah.
different tunes. It's the setup on the whole suspension is different,
Yeah.
and the response on the gear changes and everything. It's tuned for track.
Yeah. And it's like, I say it's like the American Ferrari because of the sound differences you can get with that car, from pretty deep to very high.
Yeah, it's a flat plane crank
Yeah.
that revs at 8,600 RPMs. You know, it's a lot more horsepower than the 458, and actually it'll outperform a 458 on track.
Yeah.
Although the 458 is an amazing car,
Yeah.
but this actually is because it's a newer car, it's actually a lot more horsepower.
Yeah. And also I think racing would be pretty fun with that car.
Yes, on track this is a phenomenal car.
Yeah. So you also got the downforce.
Yes, you also have the rear wing and the front dive planes,
Yeah.
which, you know, bring it to be more downforce for track purposes.
Yeah.
It also has underneath ribbing and the sort for routing.
Yeah. And
Better cooling.
yeah. So the Z07 package is kind of the Porsche Weissach, right?
Yes, it's kind of similar, exactly.
Yeah. just too slow here because of the road.
Yeah, right there we definitely want to be slow.
So that's the point no one talks about. If you have a sports car, you have to look on the ground.
Unless you're driving a Stirato.
Yeah.
Give her some fuel and don't floor her. Floor her.
So what's pretty fun is like the steering wheel is following the road a little bit. So
yes. That's because it has wide tires in the front.
yeah.
The wider tires
Yeah.
will always track the road.
Yeah.
Now look how it raises itself
Yeah.
by sheer GPS.
Yeah, that's awesome. So what is it doing?
It's lifting the front.
The lifting the front, yeah.
So that you don't scrape as you go down the gravel road.
Yeah. So thank you so much for letting me drive
You're
this
welcome.
car. Your
You're
car
welcome.
is awesome. Thank you. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. I have no words for this car. It's awesome.
I know the Mustang is nice, but this is a different type of car.
Yeah.
This is equivalent to any European car.
Yeah. So.
And the ZR1X is equivalent to any European hypercar.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, it beat the Koenigsegg Jesko. It beat. Did you see the videos of it beating the Koenigsegg Jesko?
Yeah.
It tied the Rimac Nevera, right? It outperformed the Chiron. Did you see the race with the Chiron?
Not yet.
Oh, I gotta show it to you. It just completely wiped the floor with the Chiron. The Chiron was 10 cars behind.
Yeah, that's unbelievable. Yeah. So when the CR1 was still in development, we didn't know the name in Europe, so a lot of people called the Zora.
Zora, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what everybody here too thought they were called, Zora.
Yeah. And I was watching every video because they tested the car on the Nürburgring, of course. And like they were guessing how much horsepower it had. Maybe it has 900, and it came up with 1066.
1064 or 68.
64, yeah.
But it is phenomenal.
Yeah.
And they say it does more because when they dyno it, they're dynoing at 1,020.
Yeah.
Well, a 15% loss means it should actually dyno down below 1,000. So it means the engine at the crank is doing more than.
Yeah. And imagine if they get a little more downforce to it. I don't know how.
Well,
but
the ZR1 and the ZR1X with the ZTK pack, they have 1,200 pounds of thing. But the new ZR1, which is going to be the upcoming one, and the ZR1X are going to have DRS, like the McLaren and like the GT3 RS, and like the one, the what you call it, the Mustang GTD. Yeah. It's going to have an adjustable wing. So when you're going straight, it can drop the drag. Yeah. Because it drops the speed. The wing drops the speed of the Corvette by 8 miles. It's a lot. Yes. Yes. To think about it, it's a lot. So if you add 8 miles to the top speed as it's driving, it's a big difference. Oh yeah. And a lot of people say they hate the steering. I love the steering on it. Because it's square, they say. I mean, that's special. So are if you open and look at the Jescos, they're square too. Most everybody is square. Yeah. It's got an awesome. Yeah. And the other one has one more, you know, the 26 has one more screen. Yeah. There's 3 screens. There? Right there, okay. Well. And this is bigger. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the interior, like, we always talk like for a car that's like very affordable for if you work hard. And this looks not like a $100,000 car, or let's say with all packages $160,000. It doesn't look like it. You can get them right now brand new without the Z07 pack. Yeah. At around 120. Yeah. That's nice. That's so nice. Yeah. They say they're poorly made. I don't see what's anything poor about the design of this car. And this has both this and you can go to regular one. Okay. I also didn't knew that. So if it's open, right, you can do. If the hood is open, you do this, and then you adjust it just like a regular mirror. And then when you close the hood, you can go like this, and and you can size this. It's got you can do either dim it or make it bigger or make it smaller. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. This is love. Wow. There we go. How did you driving? This experience
It's made through Revved Up Wishes Foundation. Not sure how long the smell will stay, but if I would guess, probably the next few months or years. Awesome. Thank you so much. See you next time.